Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So first and foremost, I want to say that I can't find my tripod, which I do want to, get my tripod out to get you all in better angles and, and so on, so you can see what I'm doing. But yeah, in terms of the workability of how good China wrap has gotten, it's a very popular part of my channel. And yeah, I'm going to show you all just how workable China wrap is nowadays, how good it is. I'm going with a metallic cherry red. You can't really see it in this lighting or on camera like this. But yeah, so I am going to remove the backing on this side, and just to show you all how good China wrap is. Now, I don't have a microphone because apparently I can't connect my microphone to this phone because there is no audio jack, which is something I just realized. So yeah, I'm going to move you all in closer, and yeah, I'm going to be talking to you all, and you all are going to see exactly how workable and how good China wrap is nowadays. Alright guys, so let's begin. Now, you all saw in my previous video that about the bad China wrap that it was really hard to reposition, which is a big gripe that a lot of people have about China wrap. They say it's hard to lift, it's hard to reposition, it's hard to work with, and the people are right. The old China wrap indeed is hard to work with, but this new generation wrap, you're going to see how easy it is for me to get this front bumper looking really smooth because of how good the wrap is nowadays. So just watch and see for yourself how easy it is to work with China wrap nowadays. So what I just did, you saw how easy it was to get all the tension out of this whole area. So look at that. I already got the whole bottom all smoothed out. Now I'm going to work my way up here, and you all are going to see what happens up here. And now I'm not going to do a lot of talking because I'm concentrating on doing this, but this is in real time, keep in mind. This is in real time, this isn't edited, and this is showing you in real time how easy it is to work with this stuff. Alright guys, so I tried adjusting the camera, so now let's move on to this whole top area. Alright, so look at that. The whole top is done and I just went all the way down the bumper to tuck it all in along here. Now, to show you all how to do this part right here. And there it is. Now the only thing I have to do is, now all I have to do is just loosen the front bumper. You know, right here, the front bumper is loosened. So, pretty much, it's just time to tuck the vinyl right in here. But with the vinyl right here, I got to, there we go. You see, with the bumper loosened right here, I can now come around up here and tuck the vinyl around the bumper and then put the bumper on. So yeah, and there you have it. So far so good. I just need to fasten the bumper to the car, and I need to finish putting on the front lip, and I need to wrap it, but let me do that really quick and I will show you all what that looks like. Alright guys, so I just finished the front bumper and the lip on the bottom, as you can see. Wrapping that lip was it was a task on its own, so to speak, you know what I mean? Yeah, that lip definitely required a little bit of work, you know, especially to get that perfect, you know, cut along the bottom where you see the red in the middle. But yeah, anyways, guys, so yeah, this shows you really how good China vinyl has become. The workability, as you can see, it's amazing. It's such high quality nowadays. The gloss, like I said, how workable it is. I mean, it's amazing. I love it. And yeah, guys, so yeah, hope you all enjoyed the video. Like I said, I'm gonna try to see if I can put a link down below. Since I do everything mobile, I'm having a hard time linking the seller to YouTube. I'm gonna try to do that for you guys right after I upload this video. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and this is just proof that China vinyl wrap can be just as good as the stuff that costs you an arm and a leg nowadays. Alright guys, have a good one. See you next time.